Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Buses by the Bridge in Lake Havasu and I am so excited to take you along for the adventure. Let's go check out some VWs. We're out here going around at Buses by the Bridge. It's an annual event that's held at Lake Havasu at the state park, just really close to the London Bridge. There are hundreds upon hundreds of different age model VWs in various forms. You have everything from the shiny and reworked all the way down to the rusty and preserved, and it is cool. So cool. You get to come out here and there are vendors everywhere and it is just really neat to check it out. So I'm going to show you guys around today. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're going for a ride at Buses. A stick.
Oh my god, that looks so good. Put caramel or chocolate syrup on.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Riley's over here like having some issues.
I know, I love sweets, but I really can't overdo sweets.
However.
Root beer float or a chocolate covered cheese stick.
Orange dreamsicle float stick.
Dilemma. Oh my gosh.
So many choices.
This one out. This is peachy clean. Look at this. Look how nice this is. Ooh. Okay, here we go. We picked up our patch. I am so excited about this. This is about to go in my van. First stop was picking up my patch. It was $5. I am so happy I got that. Now we're gonna get off and see some more of these, but oh my goodness, excellent. Ooh, look at this setup. The tent. And then they have like a pop-out cooking section right there. Look at that, that's awesome. They have a few of these out here for sale. And amongst those is this one right here, which is really nice. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, hey, that's cool. They have a pop-out for the kitchen. There's a sink. They even have a chest set in this one on the table that's shared between the seat that's backwards and this, which pops down, I'm pretty sure, to make a bed. Storage in the back. And then of course, 2 seats. On the ceiling, they have a nice fan and some more storage. This is nice. This is very nice. Right next to that one is this one. I like the paint job on this one. These are very neat. I also like the fact that this one has the awning with the pop-up, so you could definitely stand in this one. It has a roof box on top. They have their little solar out, and you can see in the little corner there's their little dog. And it's right next to this guy, which, oh, flower power to the max. All of these in this section are around the same year, and these are so neat. These have the high tops on some of them, and then the pop-ups on others. Look at that line right there, ooh. Oh, look at this one, it's so pretty because it's that like cerulean blue. The cool thing about these is that each one is so unique, and so you can find little tiny details on all of these different ones that set them apart. And there's just rows upon rows upon rows. But Riley found somebody that she actually knows over here, so we're gonna go check it out and go say hello. This, and I thought this was super cute, and then I looked out and noticed it was purple, but check this out. Going down the side of this, look at this. This is so cool. I love that there are so many different creative people here who have turned these into amazing things, even beyond just how cool they are in general. Now, something that sets up the Volkswagen a little bit different is usually the motor situation is a little bit different, and they have that flat nose in the front, so it's a very different feel when you're driving it, and it's super popular. So there are entire clubs for Volkswagens all across the United States, and so you can see some of the clubs have come out here and they have all of their displays, and then as you can see there are flags everywhere. So if you look up, some of these are different Volkswagen clubs, so that's really neat also. We found this. It says fallout shelter. It looks very rugged. It's super cool. It's a tater built, so that's different. I'm gonna go around to the front and show you what it looks like though. This is insane. These tires, just for reference, are waist high at least. Riley's gonna show us just how tall this thing is. It's not super tall as a whole structure, but like the tires, look at that, look at that. That is so neat. But that's not the best part. The best part is actually the front section. Believe it or not, this is the front section. It looks totally different from the front than it does from the side. This is awesome. Oh, this one's neat too. This is cool. And it has these outer shades, which are really neat. I think these are magnetic. And then it has all of these lights along the top that are all VW lights. So at nighttime it can be lit up. Can't have VWs without a Grateful Dead flag. Nope. All of these that have the covers that look like cars are just so fun to see. I've been enjoying them. There's this one and then this one. But also there's another one over here. And just kind of these wrap around. They're custom cut and designed for these so that they give it a nice little personality, as you see. It's hard to walk around here without having some joy on your face because some of these are just so bright, so vivid, and all of the different faces on the screens. It's just one of the more interesting places that you can go. And it's definitely something that I would encourage everyone to celebrate because it's not every day that you get to come together and see something that's considered to be old, that is actually cherished, loved, and brought back to life and enjoyed and leading so many adventures. So let's keep going. Oh, there's a magic bus from Oklahoma here. I think I need to go check this out. Loving these stickers. Riley, what do you think about this one?
I love all the stickers.
Magic bus from Oklahoma?
Magic bus from Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. Oh. Check all of these out. Newport Beach. This one is funny, but it just keeps going on and on. I love their collection here. Peace. But then also, check your vibe. Yes, absolutely. Only positive vibes. This one is neat though because it's not only a magic bus, but it's make love, not war. They have all this painted. It's very unique. It's one of the more unique painted buses that we've seen. And it definitely looks like it has seen some good days with all these stickers. This is why we come out. We get to see the really beautiful ones. And then we get to see the ones that definitely have a story to tell. I wonder what stories this thing says. I'm sure they're fascinating. You wonder where this thing has been, what all it's been up to, what all it has seen, because you know it's a lot. Right now we're seeing a lot of different teams represented also as we meander around.
That is like the smallest bus.
The smallest bus?
The shortest bus.
It's tiny. It's so little. It's like a little pocket. Let's see, is Riley taller? How tall are you, Riley?
5'5".
5'5"? And it's pretty close. It looks like it is a little bit bigger, but not much. This is the one that says Nito, that Riley's standing in front of. And you can see it's an actual camper. Again, it has one of these little screens on it. And it is a single cab. And then also, this is neat, they have the story of it here on the dash. This is a Volkswagen camper that started out life in California in 1966. Wow. It was originally a truck, and then they converted it into a camper, which is even more cool. I am loving that things like this are provided so I can get some context on some of these for the stories because, you know, everything has a story. And the more that we get to know about them, the more that we can respect that these things have seen some stuff. I love the color of this one. Holly was just saying she needs one of these for her van. I understand. Same. We found this booth and they have so many cool stickers. If you're looking for stickers for any kind of like travel or bus related things, please check them out. This is how you can find them. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's another Grateful Dead bus. Look at the Deadhead Bears. Oh yeah. We found Texas here. Look at this, it's Texas. Oh, these are neat. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. This right here, this is part of the Arizona Bus Club and their jamboree that they do in September. So if you're interested or have a bus, you should reach out to them for sure. This is super neat. We're walking by and I saw this guy. Hi. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. I'm Bunny. You clearly are a gorilla or ape or monkey. I'm not sure, but hi. $1 bills, y'all. This is neat. This is a cool concept. It says ditch email right up here, send cards, and he has some contact information, I'm sure, so I'm gonna get that for you guys. But look at this, this is super neat. These are individual cards that you can get in these little packs here, and then they're blank, so you can send actual like correspondence to people. And right here we have it. If you're interested in contacting him, check out his Venmo, and if you see him at an event, this is the man you're looking for right here. If you guys are interested in the cards, he said he also has some that has phrases, and they have some really neat stuff. Check out his Etsy shop. This is the link right here that you can hover over, or you can find him on Etsy through this link. I love this idea. This is such a neat thing because everything's digital now, but it's nice to be able to receive actual tangible things from time to time. So check this out. Dance party with Riley and Collie time. Woo!
Down there. There you go.
Ooh. Oh, thank you.
And you? Oh, you've already got some. Look at that. You are fast.
Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Hello, friend. Okay, let's go explore a little bit more. You're in your stroller now, buddy. A little different vibe this time, yeah. Girls trip, it's all the girls. We have Collie, and we have Tony, and we have Brandy, and we have Riley. Okay, right here, this is actually a really cool one because this is a man who has written a book, and they have the story of the VW, but also you can see he has 4 buses, 40 years, and 400,000 miles. And so you can get in here and learn a little bit about the history, but then also you can see the man right back here. I got ducked while I'm here at buses. Yeah. Look at this guy that we're looking at right now. This is amazing. Oh, this is so cool. And they have the 2 chairs that I think lean back. This is all very soft upholstery. I like this colorway, but then also look at the outside of it. It's very, very nice. It's hard. If I had to pick one that was my favorite, it would be impossible here. So Collie is definitely getting a bag of popcorn. I'm debating on what kind of popcorn I want. These are all good.
Captain Crunch.
Captain Crunch? Is that Captain Crunch?
That's what I said, yeah.
That's Captain Crunch? And then they have caramel, apple, and then regular, which is so good.
I think everybody buy a different bag. I know, right?
Brandy, I like your way of thought. We're gonna split this up. Okay, so all of us are in charge of a bag. Ollie, what kind did you get?
So I got the caramel apple,
Okay.
and it's pretty good.
Cool. And then Brandy has the caramel, and then I have the Captain Crunch down here. So we all bought some so we could try them out. So we're just gonna share. Oh yeah. Okay. This is incredible. So there's this Porsche trailer here, and then there's this Porsche on top, and it is so beautiful. It's from my state, and go Texas. But look at this guy. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, that is nice. Now you might be asking, but why is it here? Well, because guess what? It has a VW pool in it. Till next time, I'll be back. Bye.